In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate extensions in Supabase, step by step 2026. First, open your browser and head to supabase.com. Using a modern browser ensures the dashboard loads smoothly, and bookmarking the site will save you time when you come back later. Next, log into your Supabase account. Sign in the way you normally do, whether that's with email and password or a connected provider. If you use multi-factor authentication, have your device handy so you can get in quickly. Once you're in, you'll land on the homepage, which is your main dashboard. Here, choose the correct organization. Organizations let you group projects and manage access cleanly, so make sure you pick the one that holds the project you want to work on. If you're part of multiple organizations, double-check the name to avoid editing the wrong environment. After selecting the organization, choose the project you've already created, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. If you make a new project, follow the prompts to set it up, then return to the project view. Otherwise, click into the project you want to use for extensions. Inside the project view, take a moment to get oriented. On the left sidebar, you'll see the main navigation. This is where you'll find database tools, authentication, storage, and more. We'll be focusing on the database tools for this process. Open the school editor from that left sidebar. This is where you can run database queries directly in your project. Once the editor opens, look for the templates section. Templates are pre-built queries provided by Supabase to help you work faster without starting from scratch. In the templates area, you'll see a variety of helpful snippets. Find and select the template called Show Extensions. Clicking this will automatically insert a ready-made SQL query into your editor. This query is designed to list available or installed extensions in your database, so you can quickly see what's accessible in your environment. If the templates panel is collapsed, expand it to reveal the search and categories. Then pick the Show Extensions template from there. With the template loaded, review the query so you understand what it will do in your database context. When you're ready, run it in the SQL editor to view the results. This gives you a clear overview of extensions relevant to your project and prepares you to activate the ones you need with confidence, all within the same workflow. And that's it. Simple, organized, and ready for you to move forward efficiently in Supabase.